What are the characteristic features of 802.11a wireless standard? Well, remember 802.11 is basically Wi-Fi and A is the type of Wi-Fi. When I think of A, I think of alpha. So knowing that, let's get into this. So alpha, what makes an alpha? Well, when I think of the gigahertz frequency band, that's what I think of first, I'm gonna pick the top dog, right? And that's between 2.4 gigahertz, 5.0, and 5.4 gigahertz frequency band. Well, I know that 5.4 gigahertz frequency band isn't a frequency band. We don't use that band. We only use 2.4 and 5.0. So the top between these two is going to be 5 gigahertz. It's newer, it's better, it's the top dog. That's what I think of. We have to select two answers though. The rest of the questions are about the maximum data signal rates. So when I think of alpha, 802.11a, and I have to think of the frequency band first, I always think of the 5 gigahertz, and then I match 5 gigahertz with the speed. The speed, the maximum data signaling rate, is going to be 5 and then 5 minus 1. So it's 54 megabits per second. 5 gigahertz and then 54 megabits per second. That's how I remember it. That's how you can also remember the characteristic features of IEEE 802.11a wireless standard.